This Rae Dunn Panini Maker is a kitchen appliance that promises efficiency, versatility, and user-friendly features, all wrapped up in a stylish gray design. Whether you're a panini enthusiast or someone looking to add a versatile cooking tool to your kitchen, this Panini Maker might just be what you need. Let's delve into a detailed review of this product to see if it lives up to its promises. The Rae Dunn Panini Maker boasts a sleek and stylish gray design that will complement any kitchen decor. Its compact size makes it easy to store, even in kitchens with limited counter space. The elegant aesthetic not only enhances the visual appeal of your kitchen, but also makes the Panini Maker a conversation piece. One of the key safety features of this Panini Maker is its cool touch handle. This ensures that you can open and close the lid without worrying about burns, even when the appliance is at its highest temperature. The handle is ergonomically designed for comfortable grip and operation. Equipped with a 750-watt heating element, the Rae Dunn Panini Maker heats up quickly and evenly. This ensures that your paninis are cooked to perfection in a matter of minutes. The powerful heating system is designed to handle thick sandwiches, ensuring that the heat penetrates through to melt cheese and warm fillings evenly. The double-sided heating technology is a standout feature. It ensures that both sides of your panini receive equal heat, resulting in a perfectly golden and crispy exterior. This eliminates the need to flip your sandwich midway through cooking, making the process faster and more convenient. The Panini Maker comes with intuitive indicator lights that provide visual cues for preheating and readiness. The red light indicates that the appliance is heating up, while the green light signals that it is ready for cooking. This feature takes the guesswork out of cooking and helps ensure perfect results every time. The Rae Dunn Panini Maker features a versatile 180-degree opening, allowing it to function as an open grill. This flexibility means you can use it to cook a variety of foods beyond just paninis. From grilling vegetables to cooking meats, this appliance can handle a wide range of tasks, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. With its two-slice press grill design, this Panini Maker can accommodate sandwiches of various sizes. Whether you're making a simple grilled cheese or a loaded panini with multiple layers of ingredients, this appliance has the capacity to handle it. The non-stick cooking surface is a major plus for ease of cleaning. Food residues do not stick to the plates, making it easy to wipe them clean with a damp cloth. This feature not only saves time, but also ensures that your Panini Maker remains in good condition for longer. Some models come with a removable drip tray that collects excess oil and crumbs, further simplifying the cleaning process. While the Rae Dunn Panini Maker does not specify this feature, ensuring the appliance is clean after each use will maintain its performance and hygiene. As mentioned earlier, the cool touch handle is a crucial safety feature. It ensures that you can safely handle the appliance even when it's hot, reducing the risk of burns and making it safe to use in households with children. The Panini Maker is designed to be stable on your countertop, with non-slip feet that keep it securely in place during operation. This stability ensures safe usage, preventing accidents or spills while you're cooking. Users of the Rae Dunn Panini Maker have generally praised its performance, design, and ease of use. Many appreciate the quick heating and even cooking provided by the 750W power and double-sided heating technology. The stylish design and compact size are also frequently mentioned as positive aspects, making it a favored choice for those with limited kitchen space. However, some users have noted that the non-stick surface requires careful maintenance to prevent damage. Using non-abrasive cleaning materials and avoiding metal utensils will help preserve the non-stick coating. Conclusion: the Rae Dunn Panini Maker is a stylish, efficient, and versatile appliance that can significantly enhance your kitchen experience. Its powerful 750W heating system, double-sided heating, and user-friendly features make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to make delicious paninis and more. The cool touch handle and non-stick cooking surface add to its convenience and safety, ensuring a hassle-free cooking experience. if you're in the market for a reliable and attractive panini maker that offers great value for money. The Rae Dunn Panini Maker is worth considering. Its blend of style, functionality, and ease of use makes it a standout choice for any home cook. Invest in the Rae Dunn Panini Maker today and transform your sandwich-making routine into a quick, enjoyable, and stylish affair. Order now and enjoy perfectly cooked paninis in the comfort of your home. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.